Hello friend, my name is Ishan Khan and today I gonna show you a video in which I describe four things about MM. First, ideology of MM. Second, how MM work. Third, rule of MM, and fourth one is benefits of MM. The modern world is very bad. It's just for rich people, not for poor people. This world is just for rich people. If you have money, then you can survive in this world. But if you have no money, then this world is not for you. This word is for those people who produce their money, for example, businessmen, financiers, politicians, and for bankers. What is money? Money is not just piece of paper, it's something that we need to survive in this planet. Without money, you are nothing in this world, even that without money, you cannot survive in this world. How MM works? MM is not a bank, MM not an online business, MM not a hype investment, MM not an MLM program, MM does not collect your money, MM there is no boss, no owner, MM is a community where people help each other, which help millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free. How money transferred? Money is transferred directly to participant. Let's suppose if Ali want to provide help of $100 and there another participant Rehan who want to get help of $100. Then MM communicate each other and Rehan directly provide transfer $100 to Ali account. There is no central bank where all money is collected. What is Marlboro? MM have Marvo. MM is a virtual currency of the system. Its rate always grows up with 30% to 100% per month. It depends upon Marvo type. You can buy Marvo at any time and in any amount, so you can sell it at any time too with the new higher rate. In the another word, buy wait a little bit until the cost grows up and then sell. That's all. By the extension of the system, previous are paid to next pyramid scheme. Yes, so what? Why we need to afraid of those terrible words? Any bank and insurance company works so. All this has pyramid in their chemical pure form. Yes, even the dollar is pyramid and works so all these are pyramid in their chemical pyramid. Everyone has already understood that, but the pyramid any currency is the pyramid and everyone has already understood that, but they all lie and hide the unfortunate affect strongly all the bank and insurance companies. They might be why they are always bleeding about guarantees. Just look how many of them only in the recent years stopped their work. MM says everything openly and honestly. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a type of digital currency in which encryption technology are used to regulate the generation of nines currency and verify the transfer of fund operations as guidantly of the central bank. MM uses Bitcoin and that's a positive because Bitcoin transfer allow in every country, so that's one word. Join MM Global, you can easily be joined. This is my stage of account, you can say it. First I provide help of $300, then I get help of $30 as and $320. Then I again provide help of $30 and $100. Then I get help of $50, $490, $30 and again $40. Rule of MM. Do not create multiple accounts from one computer and one IP. Do not change Bitsy wallet. If you want to get change money into another Bitsy wallet, then add a new account, but don't remove and or change old Bitsy account. Do not use public hotspot proxy and Republic Computer C for login to MM account. Use only spare money. Do not contribute all the money you have because MM does not give off guarantee to all your donation amount to be saved. Benefits of MM. Benefits: MM give you 100% month if you do 100 task every month. If you do not and your task, then you will earn 20% bonuses. There are many bonuses in Global. The first one is reference bonus, second registration bonus, third manager bonus, and fourth is bonus for a video about receiving donation. Reference bonus. You get 10% from all donation of the participant you invite. Example: suppose your reference give provide help of $100, then you get 100 bonus from your reference commission. Registration bonus. After having registration and making the first donation, they participate receiving a bonus in the amount of $20 if your donation is from $50 and for $90 frozen from 2 weeks. $50 donation from $500 to $490 frozen from a month. $100 donation more than a $300 donation frozen for a month. Then the bonus is $20, $50 and $100. Manager bonus in the multiple level. 3% from the second level participate, 1% the third level participate, and 0.5% from the third percent level, 0.3% from the fourth level participate, 0.1 the fifth level participate, and 0.05 from the 7th level participate, 0.03 the 8th level participate, and the last one is 0.01 from the 9th level of participate. Managed bonus are continuously start and end from 9th level of participate. You can see in this picture. Video bonus. Having got a donation from the another member of the community, you can make a video in which you can tell the story of your participate in You will get 5% if the tiny god. If you see if your picture is seen. If people can see your face in the video, then you get a 5% bonus from video. And if you will earn 3% from the donation you got. If people do not see your face in the video, then your bonus is 3%. Bonus for a week about getting donation can be frozen for 2 weeks. Program. is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratitudeness, reciprocity, and benevolence. We use Bitcoin infrastructures in our transactions. In you do not have to make contracts and pledge your property. In there is no ladder and no debaters. Everything is just simple. On one participant asks for help and another one help. The only thing that demand for the participant is to be honest and kind of each other. You ask the financial help, you can need it. You give financial help when you are able to do it. We are change the world. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.